In this video, we'll look at our third mixture problem. So here, Orlando is mixing nuts and cereal squares to make a party mix. Nuts sell for $7 a pound and cereal squares sell for $4 a pound. Orlando wants to make 30 pounds of party mix at a cost of $6.50 a pound. How many pounds of nuts and how many pounds of cereal squares should he use? All right, so I've written down the information here. So again, he wants 30 pounds in total of the mix, and he wants that to cost $6.50 per pound. He's mixing nuts and cereal. The nuts cost $7 a pound, and cereal is $4 a pound. So once again, we'll start by defining our variables and writing any expressions that are needed. So here we're going to start with one of the items, either nuts or cereal, and let that be the first unknown. So I'm going to start with nuts, and I'll let n equal the number of pounds of nuts. And then since we want 30 pounds in total, the amount of cereal will be whatever is left over to make up that 30 pounds. So 30 minus n equals the number of pounds of cereal. All right, so we're going to use that information and set up our equation. This equation is just like the coin and the ticket problem, where we're going to take the quantity, multiply it by the value, and then add those together to get the total. So the value of the nuts is $7 per pound, and we have n pounds of nuts. So 7n represents the cost of nuts in the mix. For cereal, it's $4 times 30 minus n. We're going to add that on. So $4 times 30 minus n. And that should be a total of 30 pounds times $6.50 per pound. So keeping in the same, not that it doesn't matter what order you multiply, but here I had dollar times the number of pounds, dollars times the number of pounds. So I could follow that format here just to help you navigate. $6.50 times the number of pounds, which is 30. Again, you could change the order of those because it's just multiplication. All right, so I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Distribute the 4. So I have 7n plus 120 minus 4n. And then on the right hand side, I will multiply. That gives me 195. Simplifying each side, 7n minus 4n is 3n plus 120 equals 195. And now I could use the addition principle, subtract 120 from both sides. 3n equals 75. And then divide by the coefficient 3 to get n equals 25. So that means that there were 25 pounds of nuts and 30 pounds of cereal. So going back, or not 30 pounds, 30 minus 25 pounds of cereal. So 25 pounds is equal to n. 30 minus 25 gives me 5. So 25 pounds of nuts, 5 pounds of cereal, and that would be enough for the mix for what he is expecting.